My name is Jessica, and today we're going to be making coconut whipped cream.
Yeah, that's yummy.
Charity, Nana, and Joy.
Say hi, Joy.
Hi, Joy.
Good girl.
So first you'll have to refrigerate a can of coconut milk overnight or in the freezer for 1 to 2 hours. And then you're going to slowly put it upside down.
Well, I'm helping, so that's why you can't.
Just open this can. It's not open. There.
And now it's opening, right, Daddy? What's the part am I going to do?
Well, you guys are just watching. You're going to be helping taste it.
Oh.
And you're going to need a little bowl for the juice.
Come on, coconut juice, Mom.
Hi, Maggie.
Coconut juice. Oh, I want some coconut juice. Oh, I will be right back. Hi, Mom. Can I have some coconut juice?
Joy, get off the counter.
I'm asking you a question. Can I have coconut juice?
Maybe a bit afterwards. Joy, get down, please.
And then that's the fat part that you want for the whipped cream.
Yummy.
Okay.
I'm going to
Oh, yeah. Oh.
scoop that out.
Let's do straight. That looks like ice cream.
Yeah, it does.
Can we eat it like an ice cream?
Yeah.
Charity, don't do that.
This is like ice cream.
And now,
Uh-oh, somebody's head is in the way. Joy, come here. You're going to get some in a minute, okay? You just have to wait.
Okay. Judy has to wait. Judy has to wait.
Charity, give that to Mommy, please.
Honey?
Stop that.
Am I going to put it in? I'm back.
Hi.
Hi.
Should move your chair a little bit closer. Maybe you should have done it between them. That's okay.
Oh, honey. Honey. I want to eat that. Looks like ice cream.
and now,
You're going to eat it up.
use your hand mixer.
Come on, mix that, Mom. The food.
I don't think it's going to taste like anything good until the honey's
But
mixed
I
in.
like it.
Okay.
Now,
Yummy.
Charity, don't do that, please.
just going to mix this up.
Whipped cream. Can I make one on a spoon, Mommy?
You guys are going to have it on your pancake, okay?
And they're going to go get their pancakes.
On my pancake, too.
Charity, no. Put that down. Don't you lick that. That's for the... There's your guys' pancake. Oh.
Now am I done?
No, you're not. You're not.
Let's
You just...
use a big spoon.
Just that spoon that's right there. That's what I put it there for. They get their forks.
I want it beside my plate.
Okay.
Here, Joy.
Mommy.
Here, Jordy. Here, Nana.
Mommy, Charity. Judy, no. Mommy, no. Judy, Mommy. Jessica,
Give them a little more than that.
I don't want none on mine.
Okay, we'll be on the side.
Okay, serve them and then go get your own. Okay, you guys.
We'll try it.
No. I love eating coconut. The reason I do is because I love coconut.
You gonna have it on the pancake?
Yes.
Are you trying the coconut, Nana?
I did try it before.
What do you think of it?
Good.
Yucky, Nana?
Nana, do you like it?
Not really.
Charity likes it, Nana doesn't. Joy, what do you think? She's licking her fingers.
Joy, is it good?
And Jessica.
It's not anymore.
What do you think?
No. Good.
Alright. So, 3 out of 4 people like it. Well, I like it, so that I guess that's 4 out of 5. Okay. Say bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.